Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the video brightness on your ARLO Pro 4. To do it, click on Settings in top right corner of the preview. Now go to Video Settings and you'll find Video Brightness. You can set it to darker or brighter. Let's set it darker a little bit. You can see it has changed indeed. If I change it to even darker, then now it's pretty dark. And if I set it to the brightest option, then it's pretty bright. I think I like it between the default and the brighter option. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.